Hi everyone, we're here to talk about Superhouse. As you can tell with my dressing, what a beautiful day today. And we're talking about our different products. We do have a various ranges of different products in our company. And the first one, which is the lift sliding door. As you can tell, it's extremely beautiful, made from the highest quality of materials. And actually, it's just so easy to control. As you can tell, I can just use my finger to control it. Wow, what an amazing sliding door. Now let's talk about how it's just effortless. It's so neat, everything is just packed together. Like it's just extremely extravagant. Wow. And you know what? This company has a lot of beautiful products that you should look into. Actually, if you want a luxurious life in your apartment, then you should consider Superhouse.